I woke up with a message that I have to give to each and every one of you who are watching this video. I'm going to tell you right now that I've already visualized in my mind that every one of you who are experiencing whatever issues you are facing on a personal level, on a financial level, relationship with kids, job, whatever it is, I have a message for you. You're going to make Stephen A. Williams is telling you right now, straight from the heart, that I have already visualized you make it. Now, but we got to take action. When I was going through what some of you are going through right now, just imagine what you're going through right now. I've went through similar things, not just financial, personal too, even health with my wife, and we made it through it. And so I know that you're going to make it through it. This video is so important to get across with what people are going through right now, with credit card debt being over I think it was 1.2 or 1.3 trillion dollars, student loan debt, repossession debt, personal loan debt, payday loan debt. Debt collectors are buying up these debts and they're taking people to court. And I was looking at the recent stat that were provided, and it is very hard to get these stats. But from what I was able to find, it used to be around 70 to 72, 73% of the people with cases would end up in a default judgment. That meant that when they received a lawsuit from a debt collector who purchased their debt, they didn't respond, and upwards of 73% from the latest from the stats that I had from maybe a couple of years ago, and they only update these stats on a 2-year basis. I don't know why. But from the states that did report, and not every state would report, it was close to 73%. Right now, looking at the new stat, the updates that have came in, 80% of the people do not respond. And then to take it a step further, 95% of the cases still end up in a judgment. The rest of the remaining percentage ends up in a judgment because the individual goes to court and they don't know what to say, how to say it, and they just end up leaving there with a judgment. And from my research, it showed that the vast majority of these debt collector cases cannot be proven. But the judges do not have any type of judicial overwatch that says, you have to kind of understand, and it makes sense when you think about it the way that I'm about to tell you. It is not up to the judge to make the case for you. It's not up to the judge to make the case for the debt collector. But it is leveraged against all of us because they see these attorneys, some of the times on a daily basis. So anyone, just like a friend or a co-worker, someone, a neighbor, someone that you see over and over and over again, you kind of have a leaning towards listening to them. And we have this crazy, like I call it a lazy factor in our minds that makes it easier for us to believe them, even if they're wrong. Even if they're wrong and they don't have fact, it's easier for us to believe them than someone who we do not know. And so the judges have actually just been rubber stamping these default judgments without doing any review of the document. And they base it on if the defendant who is getting sued by the debt collector does not show up to court, it's going to be an automatic default judgment. If the defendant comes to court and they have no answer, it's going to be an automatic judgment. So really, the answer to all of this is to make sure that you respond to a debt collector summons. And even if you get one from the original creditor, you still have your rights. So let me start with this. A good outcome is possible even if you've been sued by a debt collector. This doesn't have to ruin your life, doesn't have to ruin your credit, doesn't have to ruin your finances. You have more power than you think, but only if you take action. Every day, thousands of people across America get hit with court summons they were not expecting. It's scary. It happened to me. It's overwhelming. I was overwhelmed. and it feels like the system is against you. When you receive that court summons, you're getting that from an official court with a judge's name on it, and it's coming from a debt collection attorney who you know nothing about, and it's coming with a debt that you forgot everything about. You put it in the back of your mind, right? But ignoring it, that's the worst mistake you can make. If you don't respond to the lawsuit, the debt collector can get a default judgment against you. They can garnish your wages. They can freeze your bank account. They can garnish your bank account. They can put liens on your property. And in some instances, they can take personal property. It's because you didn't file a response to that debt collector lawsuit or original creditor lawsuit. Just by filing an appropriate response will get that attorney to back up. It'll get that plaintiff that's coming after you, the debt collection firm or the original creditor. It gets everybody to back up. When they back up, it gives you breathing room. It allows you to relax. It allows you to start to balance the scale. And if you get a response that's appropriate, that will give you the opportunity to win, that's going to be the kicker that they're not even expecting to happen. So here's the good news. You have right, and you have a right to respond, and you can get the case dismissed. In some instances, if you respond the right way, you can get it dismissed before the hearing. You can force the debt collector to prove everything, and you can even negotiate from a more positive position where you have strength, leverage. It's all about leverage. When you don't know what to do, don't know what to say, don't know how to say it, it's not written and formatted the way that the court wants to accept it, you don't have leverage on your side. This is about opening up the doors, even if you're only looking at settling your case. If you respond appropriately, that debt collection attorney could reach out to you and offer a settlement that you would have never even been able to dream about. All because you responded appropriately and you've made them back up and evaluate the way that they brought that case towards you. If you need help responding to a debt collector lawsuit, responding to an original creditor lawsuit, Summons Master was built for people just like you. It was trained by me from real court cases, from helping my clients get their cases dismissed. It does not matter what dollar amount you're being sued for, that you have a chance to get your case dismissed. So people are tired of being bullied, and you want to take control. With our system, you can generate a fully formatted legal response, no lawyer required, with a defense to help you win your case. So you don't need to panic, but you do need to take action. Time is ticking. If you don't respond within a specified period of time, they will get a judgment against you, a default judgment against you. And if your deadline is passed, you could potentially, all you have to do is call your court clerk and see if you still have a chance to be able to respond. And if you do have a default judgment, contact us at summonsmaster.com through the live chat or through the email support, and we can help you get your default judgment reversed so you can have a chance to fight. So visit www.summonsmaster.com right now. You can upload a PDF file of your court summons, and it will create a fully formatted response to your summons allegations and a defense to help you win your case. And a human will review each summons that is created just to make sure that everything was done the right way for you. So thank you for your time. My name is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com, creator of Summons Master. If you need help with your credit, you can always visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Link is below this video. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload your debt collector letter, and it will create a certified debt validation letter that will help you stop the debt collector before it gets to a lawsuit phase. And even if it does go to a lawsuit phase, you're going to have evidence to show that you asked for the information that they're required to give to you, that they usually skip over because they're used to people not responding. Go to summonsmaster.com. If you You can also grab my 3-pack of letters that are free. I do ask for a donation on those. The links are below this video. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and creator of summonsmaster.com. Thank you.